US President Donald Trump has proposed an 80% tariff on goods from China ahead of key trade talks between the two countries in Switzerland. Writing on social media Friday, Trump stated 80% tariff on China seems right, signaling interest in easing tensions amid the ongoing trade war. According to BBC, China's Vice Foreign Minister Hua Chunying responded confidently, saying Beijing had full confidence in managing trade issues with the US since January. Trump has imposed new import taxes of 145% on Chinese goods, causing disruption in financial markets and sharply reducing bilateral trade. Official data released Friday showed China's exports to the US fell over 20% in April compared to the same month last year. However, China's total exports rose by a better than expected 8.1%. Dan Wang from the Eurasia Group noted both countries face growing economic pressure and recent signals suggest a transactional de-escalation is on the table. Former US trade negotiator Stephen Olson said any tariff cuts will likely be minor, warning that systemic frictions will not be resolved quickly. Talks will be led by US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and China's Vice Premier He Lifeng, but Olson emphasized a final deal would need active engagement of both presidents. Even if Trump's new tariffs are rolled back, major challenges remain. Former IMF official Eswar Prasad said a pullback from sky-high bilateral tariffs may be realistic, but significant barriers would still persist. On social media, Trump urged China to open up its market, adding that tariff decisions would be up to Scott B. Earlier, he described the upcoming meeting as very friendly. Meanwhile, US businesses like Idaho-based Wildfire report severe impacts. CEO Cassie Abel said a $700,000 order now incurs £1.2 million in levies, up from £200,000, forcing her to consider selling parts of her business.